Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee chest injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at can you claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a chest injury. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a chest injury, you may be wondering what your options are when it comes to claiming compensation. Well, I'm happy to inform you that regardless of if it was a road traffic accident or an accident at work, if the accident that caused your chest injury was down to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for an accident which has resulted in a chest injury? Well, in order to bring a successful chest injury compensation claim, we recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with chest injury no-win, no-fee claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through your chest injury compensation claim with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator and our workplace injury compensation calculator, which should give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will only be for your injuries, which means that your final claim amount may be significantly larger. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your chest injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees for you to worry about. But most importantly, if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. If you'd like to know about personal injury compensation levels and how much you may be entitled to if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a chest injury, I'm now going to take a look at our chest injury compensation claim amount table.
So in front of us we have the table for chest injury compensation amounts. For the top category, this is the worst type of case. There will be a total removal of one lung and or serious heart damage with serious and prolonged pain and suffering and permanent significant scarring. You could expect to receive anything from £80,250 all the way up to £119,650. For a traumatic injury to the chest, lungs and or heart causing permanent damage, impairment of function, physical disability and reduction of life expectancy, you could expect to receive anything from £52,390 all the way up to £80,250. For damage to the chest and lungs causing some continuing disability, you could expect to receive anything from £24,950 all the way up to £43,710. Then for a relatively simple injury such as a single penetrating wound causing some permanent damage to tissue but with no significant long-term effect on lung function, you could expect to receive anything from £10,040 all the way up to £14,320. Then finally, for toxic fume/smoke inhalation, leaving some residual damage not serious enough to interfere permanently with lung function, you could expect to receive anything from £4,240 all the way up to £10,040.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.